students, how are you all? I'm sure all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, subtraction. Be active. Number of animals have been crossed out in each row. Count how many are left. Write the answer in the box. See, there are 4 animals, 1, 2, 3 and 4. One has been crossed out. So we will not count this animal. We will count the remaining animals. So let's count 1, 2, 3. So you will write 3 in this box. Okay. Next, how many animals have been crossed out? Only 1. So we will not count this lion. Okay. We will count remaining lions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, we will not count these 2 snails. Okay. We will count the remaining snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here also 2 animals have been crossed out. So let's count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 animals are left. Okay. Question number 2. Count and subtract. See, 4 sunflower minus 1 sunflower means 4 sunflower. There are total 4 sunflowers. Okay. 1 sunflower has to be taken away. That means you will cross 1. So how many sunflowers are left? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay. And 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. 16 pencils minus 4 pencils is equals to 12 pencils. Means 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay. 17 pencils minus 3 pencils is equals to 14 pencils. Means 17 minus 3 is 14. Okay. 18 apples minus 6 apples is equals to how many apples? 12 apples. That means 18 minus 6 is 12. 15 flowers minus 8 flowers is equals to 7 flowers. Means 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Okay. 19 carrots minus 16 carrots is equals to 3 carrots. That is 19 minus 16 is equals to 3. Right? Similarly, 19 pairs minus 13 pairs is equals to how many pairs? 6 pairs. 19 minus 13 is 6. Okay. Ali had 18 apples. He gave 3 apples to his sister. Ali had apples left. See, Ali had total 18 apples. And out of 18 apples, he gave 3 apples to his sister. Now, how many apples are left with him? So, in this case, we will subtract these 2 numbers. That is 18 minus 3. Okay. So, 18 minus 3 is 50. Or simply what you can do is, see, these 3 apples are drawn separately. Okay, you can cross them out. Okay, and now you have to count the rest apples. Okay, remaining apples. Seema had 12 bananas. She ate all the bananas. No banana was left with her now. So 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay. Now do subtract. 19 minus 13 is equals to 19 minus 13 is 6. Okay. 18 minus 11 is 7. 17 minus 10 is 7. Right? Subtracting ones from 2-digit numbers. For example, 56 minus 2. 56 is equals to 50 plus 6 minus 2. Okay. Now we will arrange them in ones and tens columns. So after arranging in columns, we will subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 5 minus 0 is 5. Okay. So what is the method? Subtract the ones. Okay. Because we are subtracting ones from 2-digit numbers. Right. Now do subtract. 58 minus 3. So what will we do? We will subtract only ones. Okay. 8 minus 3 is 5 and we will write 5 here as it is. Okay. 16 minus 2, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1 minus 0 is 1, right? Subtracting tens. 7 tens minus 4 tens means, see, 7 tens and we have taken away 4 tens. That means 70 minus 40 is equals to 30, or 7 tens minus 4 tens is equals to 3 tens. See, 70 minus 40 is equals to 30. Okay. Next, 5 tens and we have taken away 2 tens. So, 5 tens minus 2 tens is equals to 3 tens, or 50 minus 20 is equals to 30. Okay. Next, 8 tens, out of which we have taken away 3 tens. So, 8 tens minus 3 tens is equals to 5 tens, or 80 minus 30 is equals to 50, right? Now, let's do the subtract. 80 minus 10, okay. 80 minus 10 is 70. 20 minus 10 is 10, okay. 40 minus 20 is 20, right? Remaining parts you will do by yourself, right? Subtracting 2-digit numbers. You have two numbers, 54 minus 23. See, 50, this is 54, 5 tens, 4 ones, 54, and this is which has been taken away, 23, 2 tens and 3 ones, okay. So, how will we subtract these two numbers? We will arrange them in columns, ones and tens. 54 minus, we have this number 23, okay. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So, the answer is 31, right. Similarly, you had two other numbers, 78 minus 46, and the answer is, how will you subtract? First, you will subtract the ones, 8 minus 6 is 2. Second step is you will subtract the tens, 7 minus 4 is 3. So, the answer is 32, okay. Similarly, you have to subtract all these numbers, right. 47 minus 34, 7 minus 4 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 8 minus 7 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, right. Now, let's do subtraction. 23 minus 13. See, ones, tens. First, we will subtract ones number, okay. 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, answer is 10. Next, 7 minus 2 is a 5 and 5 minus 3 is 2, right. Subtraction with borrowing. Till now, we have learned how to subtract numbers without borrowing. Now, we will learn how to subtract numbers with borrowing, okay. You have to subtract 18 from 35. So, we will write like this, 35 minus 18. Now, 5 is smaller than 8, right? 8 is more than 5. So, 8 cannot be subtracted from 5. 35 is how much? 3 tens, 5 ones, okay. Think of 3 tens, 5 ones as 2 tens, 15 ones, okay. 18 is 1 10, 8 ones. So, remove 1 10, 18 ones from 2 tens, 15 ones. We are left with 1 10, 7 ones, that is 17, okay. So, 35 is 3 tens, 5 ones, okay, right, or we can think it as 2 tens and 15 ones, because 2 tens is 20, 15 ones is 15. It is also 35, right. So, 18, and what is 18? 18 is 1 10 and 8 ones, right. Now, we will remove 1 10, 8 ones from 2 tens and 15 ones. That means, listen, that means this is 15 and now this is 2 tens and this has become 15 ones. Now, now we can subtract 8 from 15, right. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So, the answer is 17, okay. Below we give more examples. See, 63 minus 29, 63, 29, okay. We cannot subtract 9 from 3, so we will arrange it like this. We will give 1 carry to this number from 6 tens, so it will become 13 ones and this will become 5 tens. Now we can easily subtract it. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 5 minus 2 is 3, okay. Now let's do the subtract. First two are done for you. These two are done for you. We'll do the remaining. 22 minus 6. Okay. We cannot subtract 6 from 2. So we will borrow 1 carry from the next number, which is 2. 2 tens. So it will become 12 and it will become 1 10. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 1. Okay. Next is 54 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 4, so we will borrow 1 10 from here. Okay, so it will become 14 and it will become 4. 14 minus 9 is 5 and 4 we will write here as it is, right? Number 2, add and subtract. First subtract 31 minus 12. Okay, you cannot subtract 2 from 1, so we will borrow 110 from here. It will become 11, it will become 2. 11 minus 2 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is. So the answer is 19. Now we will add these two numbers. 5 plus 6 is 11, but remember we will write only 1. There will be 1 carry. We will write here, okay. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 carry is 6. Okay. Word problems on subtraction. Do the sum in the box. The first two are solved for you. Number 1, Sunil had rupees 97. He gave rupees 53 to his brother. How much money does Sunil have now? Sunil had some amount of money, out of which he gave some amount of money to his brother. Okay. Now obviously he would have less money. So in this case, what will we do? We will subtract the two numbers, the given numbers, okay. 97 minus 53 is 44, means Sunil will have now rupees 44. Similarly, number 2, Geeta gets 92 marks in mathematics and 87 marks in science. How many more marks she gets in mathematics? Means we have to compare these two subjects, means maths and science, okay, and we will compare marks Geeta got in these two subjects, right? So we will compare. So 92 minus 87 is 5. That means she got 5 more marks in mathematics, okay. Number 3, Sunita had 76 dolls. Out of these, 29 were broken. How many dolls are left with her now? Let's do it. We will subtract these two numbers. First ones, tens, 76 and 29. Okay, we cannot subtract 9 from 6, so we will borrow 110 from 7. Okay, so it will become 16 and it becomes 6. 16 minus 9 is 7 and 6 minus 2 is 4. That means 47 dolls are left with Sunita, right? Subtraction on the number line. We know that when we add on the number line, we jump forward as this arrow points out. Thus, to add 7 and 5, we start at 7 and make 5 small jumps forward. Whenever we add on the number line, which you already know, which side do we go? We go towards right. We move towards right, or we jump forward, okay? We reach at 12 as shown in the figure below. So we write 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. Okay. However, when we have to subtract on the number line, we have to jump back like this. This is the symbol of going back. Thus, to subtract 5 from 7, we start at 7 and make 5 small jumps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Let's subtract 7 from 13. To subtract 7 from 13, we start at 13 and make 7 small jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, backward. Okay, whenever we subtract, we jump we jump backward, okay. We reach at 6 as shown in the figure below. So we write 13 minus 7 is equals to 6, right. Now let's subtract on the number line. One is done for you. So this has been done for you. We'll do next part. 28 minus 3. Okay. So we will start from 28. Here is 28 minus 3. That means we will make 3 small jumps starting from 28, and we will make jumps backward, not the forward. Okay. So we'll make 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we arrive at 25. So the answer is 25. Isn't it interesting? Okay. Next, subtraction with the beads on the abacus. See, tens and ones. 65 is written as 6 tens plus 5 ones minus 22. 22 is written as 2 tens plus 2 ones. Okay. Now we have to subtract ones from ones, tens from tens. 5 minus 2 is 3 ones and 6 minus 2 is 4 tens. So the answer is 43. Okay. Now do 77 is equals to 7 tens plus 7 ones, right? 25 is equals to 2 tens plus 5 ones. Now subtract 7 minus 5 ones is 2 ones, as you can see in the abacus, okay? And 7 tens minus 2 tens is 5 tens. See, there are 5 beads on the abacus. So the answer is 52, okay? Subtracting using the expanded form. Now we have to subtract the number, but this time we will use expanded form. From 44, take away 22. You have to minus 22 from 44. This time we will use expanded form. So what is the expanded form of 44? 40 plus 4. And what is the expanded form of 22? 20 plus 2. Okay, we have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, 40 minus 20 is 20, okay. So 20 plus 2 is 22, okay, and 4 minus 2 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2, okay. Now subtract. One has been done for you. 89 minus 72. 89, the expanded form of 89 is 80 plus 9. Expanded form of 72 is 70 plus 2. Now 9 minus 2 is 7 and 80 minus 70 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Now let's subtract them. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 8 minus 7 is 1. 17. Okay. So students, you will do practice of the remaining parts, right?